What is your name and where do you stay in Belapur?
I stay in Sector 20. My name is Kamal Ansari. My daughter is Aisha and she is 3 years 2 months. Basically, what we were looking at was a nursery playgroup which has amenities for child's development, bit of education also, because the starting point is the base of the child. And what I found here is that the skills of the teacher, the first thing which adds to the children's knowledge and education was very good, at par, what I could see. I first had a discussion with the teacher here, and I was very satisfied with the way she explained me that this is her the way she wants to conduct this education throughout her nursery and playgroup years. That's what I came for, and the school has a very good environment, friendly environment with the parents also, along with the kids. My child is very comfortable with the school. In the starting days, only the last year, I was very scared that whether she will stay in the school, but the teachers made her very comfortable, and she used to love coming to school even on holidays and all. So that's what one thing is, and she grasped things also very quickly because the way of teaching, the playful method, what they have, the audio visuals and everything. So she learned poetries and all that through videos and all. The same way she used to ask me at home also that can I have a video of the poetry and all. I used to show her on the mobile and the laptop and all that. So basically with the techniques and everything, they are quite well.
Okay, did you consider any option before joining Smart Kids?
Yes, we are just new in this particular area, just 3 years we're here, we shifted newly. And since this is my first child, and I didn't knew a lot of options, but knowing what other parents told me, my neighbors and all, I had a few options, but the first thing what I looked at was the location, and when I spoke to the teacher, that was a very positive thing. That's how I came to the school.
Okay. So would you like to suggest anything for the business? Any 2-3 things? Any improvement areas you would like to recommend?
Well, it's a very small, and it's just initial years of Smart Kids, and basically it has way to go. So basically, I wish it grows more with a lot of teachers, a lot of more equipments for other children, to come in future. So that's all. But since the starting year only, the skills and everything are okay, like at par. So I don't think so that she's been neglected of something during this 2 years of course. So the ways, methods, everything, they go out on trips, everything like has been shown. So that's what it is, and maybe in the future it will grow with more teachers, more space and all that. So I wish them all the best for that.
Okay. Finally, on the scale of 1 to 5,
Yeah.
for other parents, what would you rate Smart Kids?
Since this is my choice, I would not rate it low. I would scale it as number 5, which I think is the highest.
Yeah.
Yeah. So 5 is my point, because I don't want to rate my child's education low first of all.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.